In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your resume on Indeed. Keeping your resume up to date is a vital part of job searching, as it ensures potential employers have access to the most current information about your skills and experiences. So let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, we start the journey by heading over to the Indeed website. Open your favorite web browser and type in Indeed in the search bar, or simply enter the URL directly if that's more convenient for you. It'll take you to the main page of Indeed. Once the page is loaded, you'll recognize it by its simple and user-friendly interface. Now that you're on the Indeed homepage, the next thing you'll want to do is navigate to your profile. You'll usually find the option to access your profile at the top right corner of the page after you're logged in. Click on your name or the profile icon, which will direct you to your personal profile page. Once you're in your profile, focus on the section labeled Resume. This section is crucial because it's where your potential future employers go to learn more about you. In this area, look for the three dots next to your existing resume. It's a small button, but within it lies the power to keep your resume current. Click on those three dots, which will bring up a menu of options related to your resume. On this menu, you'll want to select the option labeled Replace File. This choice is exactly what we're looking for, as it allows you to swap out your old resume with the new, updated version you'd like to upload. It's always beneficial to review your updated resume briefly to ensure you have included the latest achievements, job experiences, and any new skills you've acquired since the last update. After selecting Replace File, a window will open up, prompting you to upload your new resume document. You'll need to browse your computer files to locate the latest version of your resume. Double check that you're uploading the correct file, then proceed by clicking Open or Upload, depending on your operating system. In no time, your new resume will be uploaded, replacing the older one without a hitch. And just like that, with a few simple clicks, you're done. Remember, an updated resume is a key asset in your job hunting toolkit, making you more attractive to recruiters. By following these straightforward steps, you ensure that your Indeed profile always reflects the most accurate portrayal of your professional journey. Keep your resume updated regularly, and best of luck with your job search.